Hello, and thanks for taking the time to review our second half 2023 release highlights from Veritas Prime. My name is Steven Simpson, and I'm a consultant supporting Employee Central platform recruiting and onboarding. I'm located in Edmond, Oklahoma, in the United States. And as I mentioned, I work for Veritas Prime, a global SAP SuccessFactors partner. We're one of the world's leading HR transformative consultancies, specializing in implementing and supporting SuccessFactors with clients across the globe. As part of our release coverage, I'll be reviewing again some of the key updates for the platform. And for complete release analysis, you can connect with us on our website at veritasprime.com through the Contact Us link. Or for our current clients, please reach out to your project manager or your CSM. Let's begin by looking at our first highlight. The first universal highlight that I'm going to cover is the Horizon visual theme. This is going to be automatically on as of this release and moving forward, and there is not going to be an option to disable this like there was in the last release. Some of the key features of this is going to be kind of an updated UI, so the avatar images and the highlighting will have rounded images, have rounded edges. The org chart will have a circular image within it instead of the square. There'll be some different typography, so different fonts and colors that will be used and defaulted, as well as some updated icons that are going to be leveraged within this new Horizon theme. The next item is an addition that SAP is embedding the functionality for SAP to ask your end users for feedback on the product itself. They're going to leverage this feedback in order to make product improvements or enhancements. And as users navigate to certain pages or different functionality, they'll get prompted for this opinion matters and asking for feedback from SAP. You can turn this off by going into the company logo settings and checking the box Disable Product Feedback in the page header. By checking that box and then clicking the save, you will disable this functionality from your systems. Next is the Employee Central Quick Actions. What quick actions are going to be able to leverage for you is to create a template for some commonly used self-service scenarios. You're going to be able to combine relevant fields for various use cases. There is a limit to 5 templates per use case using 5 standard or custom fields in total. So you'll be able to define a specific quick action for common scenarios, such as maybe a change in location, updating a document field or certain documents that may need to be kept up to date, a change of address scenario, maybe a job change. But in essence, what you'll be able to do is create the template, and from there you'll be able to go to the Manage My Team, into your actions, and then you'll see your new quick actions templates there, as long as they're permissioned for that user to use them. In the example on the screen, we've got a change location and building quick action that was built. When you click on that, you'll see a quick pop-up box that will display the user that you're taking the action, the effective date. In this case, it's a location and building change, so you'll just display the fields that you're wanting to update. So in this case, you would update the location, the time zone, as well as the building, and hit save, and then that would change basically the object within the system through this quick action template. Again, you can create various scenarios for this. So if you have common items that your users are performing, you can go in and create these custom templates. Or for more information, again, reach out to your project manager or your CSM for Veritas Prime for additional support and scenario opportunities. The last item is the deprecation of the basic rule creation. This has been coming for a little bit with the past few releases indicating this change. This release is basically removing the option to create any new rules with the basic rule scenario. The basic rule scenario will reach an end of maintenance on November 17th and will be deleted on June 2nd of 2024. The basic scenario was basically kind of a wide open rule scenario where you could go in and create and link to many different objects and create many different rule types. There weren't really many guardrails on it, so there was an opportunity to create invalid rules or rules which may not align internally with the system configuration and processes. And so certain errors or things could creep up if you were using this kind of basic rule scenario without those guardrails in place. So again, moving forward, you'll only be able to create the business rules using the new scenarios that are described when you go to create a business rule. So you won't be able to select the basic setting anymore. Additionally, if you go into your business rules administration, there's a check tool which will show you how to convert your basic rules over to the scenario-based business rules. You'll have to update all of those basic business rules prior to the deprecation and deletion scenarios on June 2nd, 2024. So again, you'll have to update all of these prior to the deletion, but you will be able to continue to use them until that June 2nd date. Again, see your CSM for more details and help. There's also some additional links and blogs within the What's New viewer, as well as the blog that I'm showing here on the screen about how to make a mass move to change and update those rules. Again, if you have any questions or anything further, please reach out to your CSM at Veritas Prime or your project manager, and they'll be able to assist you. Thanks and have a great day.